G'day, welcome back. Here's another quick review of the Ozito lawnmower. More than 12 months on, we'll see how it's holding up. Well, here she is about 12 months on. As you can see, the rubber foams handle grip's a bit worn and tattered, but that could be easily replaced. Apart from that, it is actually holding up pretty well. It gets stored away under cover at night and during the day, so that helps a lot. The extension handles are still in pretty good condition and strong. The modifications that I've done, the roller on the back, excellent. As you can see, I cut this yesterday. It's still giving a pretty good cut. I've only done one back lap with it, and that was about 2 months ago as well. So we'll give it a run to cut and we'll see how she goes. So as you can see, still giving a pretty excellent cut, and for the price, I know the price has gone up a bit in Bunnings, but they're $1.99 now. But for something that requires pretty much virtually zero maintenance, you've only really got to adjust the blades every now and then when you feel like it's not giving a good cut. So yeah, you can see the blades here are still in very good condition actually. So I probably have to do the backlapping maybe once every, probably 12 months maybe, I might do it. But yeah, very happy. So still a great product, very affordable, and an easy way to give yourself a professionally cut lawn. Thanks for watching, bye.